Hello everyone, my name is Lisa and you're watching One Lisa Show. Behind me is Miss Money Penny, and if this is your first time here, she shows up a lot, and lately she hasn't been comfortable around my filming setup, so today is completely old school. It's an iPad on a desk with nothing, no stand, no ring light, so we are at the mercy of the fall weather and the sun is coming in, but it's been a long day. I'm home, my box has arrived, and I am a So Inspired ambassador for Beyond the Pink Door. And because of that, and I've been getting this Think Pink subscription box for quite some time, so Andrea, the owner, has generously gifted me this box because I do the unboxings, and I have been a loyal customer of hers and now a member of her So Inspired ambassador team. It is such an honor, and this is my first box of that. So without further ado, we're going to do an unboxing. You get Penny here. I feel like the camera is slightly off kilter, but I don't want to disturb Penny. So what we're going to do is we're at my desk, my work from home desk. This is a Nina Lee South Bank sweater that I made with fabric from my subscription box quite some time ago. Happen to be wearing that today, right, Penny? But it's nice. It's a little chilly, a little brisk, but sunny here today, and our weekend was completely wet. We had a wet weekend. It was my birthday weekend, and I actually can't wait to tell you about it. I was recovering from what I think was some food poisoning right before my birthday. But I did have some plans with my sisters, and it was a very interesting experience. So, without further ado, this is a thick one this month. It is one of the higher boxes. It's a little bit more of a wider box, but beautiful autumnal design on the sleeve. So that's really pretty. And sometimes I wonder if it gives you a clue to what's inside. Now, I know there's unboxing videos out there. Because I'm in the US, this actually came pretty quick to the US. Customs, it cleared pretty quick. But for whatever reason, it was stuck outside of customs for days, and I was getting very frustrated. You're going to see some dust because I had to move my computer, my laptop, and there was some dust around. So if you see it flying in the air, it's nothing more than because I had a dusty area of my desk that I cleaned up. So let's open it up. There's stuff inside. There it goes, and it feels heavy. A little clue to our fabric, I think. It's okay, Pen. It's okay. This says, bring on the chill. We've got the cozy, chapter 10. Let's try to get a little bit more sunlight in here if we can. It says Sewscription box. Penny is very eagerly anticipating. She's extra on edge today. Sewscription box 44. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There's 4 meters in the extra box. So if you pay for the bigger box, which I do not, and there are 2 colorways, and there's a QR code on the back that you can scan to have access to the exclusive ebook. So what we're going to do is, first things first, we have a little fancy packet. Let's open it up. Bring on the chill. We've got the cozy, and I've been thinking about coziness, I'll tell you. Ooh, okay. Okay, there's some fun stuff in here. First off is our thread. This is a clue. Yep, you're going to get Penny unadulterated here. Looking out her perch. Here's a clue to the colorway that we received. There were 2 different colorways. It's a Gutermann thread, all-purpose thread. And this is kind of like a steel blue-gray. Best way I could describe it. 2 clips, 2 paper clips, big boys. I love it. We have some shortbread rings, rich and buttery shortbread border. created with care. Okay. Nice. I love a snack from across the pond. And then inside here, hemline. What is this? Is it like a lint brush? It looks like a lint brush. I could be off. Somebody tell me if they think that's what it is, but I think it is. I think it's like a little lint brush. Get on in there so you can see. I don't know if it's if it comes apart any further. I don't want to break it if it does, but it's like a piece of velour. So I would think that's to get like little bits of fuzz or like stray threads. It's soft. It's not firm. Like I said, it feels like a little piece of velour fabric attached to it. So we'll see what else it says, but lovely. That's actually really nice. And and then there's like, it does come apart. It does come apart. And this side has what feels like a small piece of plastic canvas. So maybe that's kind of gets the sweater, the balls from sweater, the fuzz. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Thank you. And these, you could keep pattern pieces together. I could use them for work, I'll tell you that. Nice. And then let's get this fabric. I'm going to, it's always wrapped in a beautiful tissue paper. Perfect for this weather. Perfect for this weather. I'm actually super chuffed about this because it is a blue plaid and it's very soft. And I feel like this is similar to a fabric she had on her live on the other day. So it is a beautiful tones of like a denim blue and cornflower blue. And I have 2.5 now. I'm going to scan the QR code really quick so I can tell you what it is. This fabric is very soft. It's a woven, of course, but it is very soft. This is 2.5 meters of 100% brushed cotton. It is like a flannel and it is a twill, so you can see the twill weave. Absolutely gorgeous. These are colors I love. I think it would look wonderful with a pair of jeans, or 2.5 meters is a beautiful amount. It has a weight of 145. Oh, it's a width of 145 centimeters, so that's great, and a weight of 145 grams per meter squared. Brushed cotton, it is just a very soft flannel. This is not like the stuff you would get at Joann's. This is very, very high quality, luxurious. And I know you see all the little fluffs flying around. Like I said, that's because I just moved some stuff on my desk, stuff that just sits there for decoration, and it was a little bit dusty. So sorry about that, but I wanted Penny to be able to be in the shot this time. She has definitely been not comfortable with how I've, like, this is just crazy. There's just little bits of dust. It wasn't even that much dust, just circulating around me. You can now call me Pigpen. The color that she named this was Winter Sky. There is another a colorway that's pinkish, and it's called Rosewood Glow. So very nice, very nice. I love blues. I love pinks. This is perfect. Perfect for fall, perfect for that autumn. And I could definitely see this being a shirt dress. It could also just be a flannel blouse. It's really lovely and it feels great. And I love a good cotton. I love a natural fabric. what Andrea wrote about this month's fabric: a soothing brush cotton in tones of blue and gray, lifted with soft golden highlights. Calm and comforting, it evokes frosty mornings and clear winter skies, making it an ideal choice for a relaxed everyday wear. I would love to make a blouse with this, but there's so many options. I even think I probably could make this. Could be good for gifting. And this is one of the fabrics where I think would look great in menswear too. So this is a good time for me to think, should I make Big Daddy something with this? Dare I even offer? It's lovely. It's very lovely. So it is beautiful. I think it'd look good in a jumper too, but I have a lot of fabric. I've got a lot of fabric, and the more I move, the more the air flows, and you can see all the fuzzies from my desk that had a couple of paperweights and stuff on the side that I moved over, and here we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have ideas for this fabric, a beautiful brushed cotton twill that is just such a nice, like, flannel fabric, I do think this would be nice to make Big Daddy something. That's just me. Don't hold me to it. Don't hold me to it. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts. What would you make with this fabric? Or if you get the Sewscription box, there will be links. I just can't get over all the little fuzzies around me. There will be links in the description box to Beyond the Pink Doors page about her Sewscription boxes, and a whole bunch of other links. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching Penny watch me, because that's what we do most days. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you do something creative wherever you are in the world today. Bye-bye.